Energy Measuring Unit EcoMonitorPlus Number 2 Setup Mode 2. The contents are as follows. In this video, EMU4HM1MB Basic Unit and EMU4VA2 Extension Unit are connected and demonstrated. Other devices can be set and measured in the same way. Without pushing the phase key, the changes will be discarded. To set other circuit, push the circuit key and set. A dedicated small-size display unit EMU4D65 is required for EcoMonitorPlus settings. From now on, we will start the demonstration using EMU4D65. Input-output setup. The setting values are shown in blue. Push the setup key in operation mode. Push the up or down key, and move the cursor to the 2IO. Push the plus or minus key, and select the input method. Push the plus or minus key, and select the operation time measurement. Push the plus or minus key, and select the output signal type. Communication setup. Confirm that the cursor focuses the 3COM. Push the phase key. Push the up, down, plus, minus key, and change the address. Push the plus or minus key, and select the boot rate. Push the plus or minus key, and select the parity. Push the plus or minus key, and select the stop bit. Display setup. Confirm that the cursor focuses the 6 display. Push the phase key. Push the plus or minus key, and change the LCD contrast value. Push the up or down key, and select the backlight condition. After setting all of the items, push the setup key. When save the settings, push the up or down key, move the cursor to the one saved, and push the phase key. After completing the settings, saving completed message will be displayed. Push the phase key. Return to the operation mode, and it will be displayed electric energy screen.